Hi, good afternoon. This video is about how to use was and were in your writing. So here we go. Using was and were is a fairly straightforward thing, but if you get it wrong, then it really does look bad. So let's start with an example. So let's think about just some people, and what were they doing? Well, they were talking. So the people, they were talking. There's the verb, and then were. The reason why we use were is because when we talk about the people, we talk about they, it's more than one, okay? More, spell it correctly as well. So if it's more than one, then you use were. Okay, if it's one person, he was talking. So very straightforward indeed. Okay, here's a couple of examples for you. So the trees, is it the trees was swaying, or is it the trees were swaying? Have a think about that. And then the sun, what is the sun doing? There's the verb. So the sun was shining, or the sun were shining? Have a think about that. So let's put the answers in. The trees, because it's more than one, we have to use the word were. Okay, so the trees were swaying. And the sun, because there's only one of them, the sun was shining. Okay, fairly straightforward. Two more examples for you. I was running, or I were running. So there's only one of me, so therefore it's got to be was. I was running. And now this one, similar kind of thing, but somebody called Petra has joined me. So now there's two of us running, so Petra and I. Now you might think, well, it was I was there, I was running, so therefore it should be I was running here. But no, you'd be wrong. It's Petra and I, so therefore Petra and I mean there's two people. Two is more than one, therefore it has to be were. How did you get on with that? So Petra and I were running. Another example for you here. He was or were looking at the flowers. Now, this is where some children get mixed up and they think, well, flowers, there's lots of flowers. There's more than one flower, so therefore it should be were. But think about the verb. The verb is he, something, looking. This is the verb phrase. Okay, so it's got nothing to do with how many flowers there are. It doesn't make any difference. So the answer, of course, because there's only one person doing the looking, so therefore it is he was looking at the flowers. Okay, that's the end of the lesson really. There's not a great deal to say about this one. Remember, the main thing is that was is used if there is just one. Now, if there's just one, we can call this single, or to use a better word, we call it singular. So singular. Okay, so was is for singular nouns, and were is for plural, and plural means more than one. And if you like little tricks to remember, was ends with an S and singular starts with an S, so you've got was singular like that, and plural, well, it's a bit more tricky to find a little trick here, but there's an R in plural and there's an R in were as well. So not quite such an easy trick, but I hope that works for you as well. So I hope you liked that lesson. Very, very straightforward lesson. Please do rerun the video as many times as you want. One good way of checking to see whether you understood the lesson or not is to try to explain it to somebody else. So you could explain it to either a grown-up and see if you can get them to understand, or try to explain it to a younger brother or sister.